For the method problems, I use the Common Core State Standard Content 0.4 MD.A2, and it is the use of the four operations to solve work in the rows of time, liquid volumes, masses of objects, and many, including problems involving simple fractions or decimals and problems that require expressing measurements given in a larger unit in terms of a smaller unit. Represent measurement quantities using diagrams such as a number line that feature a measurement scale. So the first question is, the light pole outside is 12 feet tall, but the city decided to change it to a bigger pole that is 14 feet tall. How much taller is the new light pole? The second question is, Sarah was 4 feet 11 inches tall last year. She grew 6 inches in the past year. How tall is she now? The third question, Justin's laptop is 15 inches long. The width is 3 inches longer than the length. What is the width of Justin's computer? And finally, the purple poster is 1 feet 4 inches wide, and the green poster is 19 inches wide. Which one is better? Okay, for my analysis, hopefully the problems would be solved using simple approaches such as addition and subtraction. For example, the first problem isn't a big difference. We can easily do the subtraction to the difference in value. So it was originally 12 feet minus the 14 that it's going to be, so 14 minus 12 is 2, and so on. When I gave these problems to others for them to be solved, one was being solved by an actual 4th grader and another was being solved by a college student, just so I could see the different strategies used and how they varied. So the 4th grader struggled a bit. It was easy to see the numbers, but knowing what to do with them as we threw them off because of the words that were included. It was so many words, yet the numbers were right there. It was just hard for them to find what to truly do with them. So when they did not read the questions carefully, they made a mistake of doing the opposite, such as they added instead of subtracting to find the difference. Meanwhile, the college students strategized. They actually highlighted the numbers and highlighted the keywords which let them know which operation needed to be done in order to solve the problem correctly.